ngày đi chặt đào riêng bị mấy hơi là mấy này bị vì người quốc như đi làm bị này bị mũi ngày đi riêng riêng này bị before we study mấy and my part 1 and today we study mấy and my part 2. See, may and my are used with present simple, present perfect, present perfect continuous, and present continuous. Chắc hai đi tầng hai viên liên mấy hai đằng máy tới bán kia ra đã chỉ môi lênประโยคปัจจุบันการธรรมดาปัจจุบันการบริโภคปัจจุบันการบริโภคคำพูดมันต่อนั่งประโยคปัจจุบันการคำพูดมันต่อจังโจทย์จุดหมายที่ยืนจับรามเรียนของปีmấy hai đằng máyนี้ปลายจมูกตะวันปลายจมูกนั้น present simple monkey mấy and my are used with present simple mấy đằng máyตะวันปลายจมูกนั้นประโยคปัจจุบันการธรรมดาพูดต่อที่มุ้ย it may be true หรือก็ it might be true โดยที่คือโดยที่นะจังมีในทางไหนมีในทางประเภท it is true ประเภทนี้คือเป็นประเภทนี้คือมันขอvàประเภทนี้ตรัสโอเคจังnhư là hai thằng mấy hai thằng máy đi dương prao vía nhà vậy dương prao vía đây làประเภทนี้ông lý gọi một thằng hypothetical cái prao vía cứ chụp u hai ca smart cái prao vía hãy hố theoretical hypothetical nó dùng bỏ thảประเภทเรียกว่า smart วิประเภทที่ถือวิประเภทที่ถือdùngประmấy các bạn ra mai các bạn có thể it may be true it might be true they say but it is true lấy như cho ra chuẩn bị đi it may be a student she may be a student she might be a student meaning smart bị ấy perhaps she is a student và hai kia có gì sao chẳng sửa nó đôi khiสมมตินั่นก็จะมีปีประหารมีปีกาสมาปีไฮโพเทคนิคดูทีไฮโพเทคนิคดูทีเทคนิคบ้าอันนั้นไม่ได้ทำไมสมานหรือบ้าหายเลยจังจะได้ยี่ปลาไม้กับบ้านยี่ปลาเมย์กับบ้านปลาไม้กับบ้านจังได้เราบอกอย่างนี้ที่จำจะทำประหารgì mấy máy nó gọi làประหารนะจังสมาบีเพื่อให้mấy hành máy nó cứประหารจังจะนั่งmấy hành máy trái ban kia trái bát chỉ mùi nên phải dùng simple present anh năng cái chương trình simple present anh năng cái simple present ắt là đây là bảo cái trong dự phí hypothetical này ok anh lấy cho ra còn đọc còn mỗi nốt mấy and my are used with present simple their meaning are future cái cho gì thằng mày mấy hai mày trai ban kia pra chỉ vui nên phải dùng bài quan cả thằng đã ở tận đây một bộ nghĩa cứ ở tận đây future example ví dụ họ I haven't decided what I am doing on my new year. I haven't decided what I'm doing on my new year. I may go to Siam district. Nhưng mà toàn ban sẽ phải chân để lời tê nơi ở vậy để nhóm lần thứ nơi ngày châu cho năm mày lời nhómประเภทkia từ liên sọc sàn chắc cái bơm bự chắc bay lại nó cái trong gì vậy cái trong gì phí hay cô thì họ bắt ở tận đây là bỏ vía cứ ở tận ấy future នេះអត្ថន័យ future នេះឃើញទេគឺទៅសេបានហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងជំនួសបានយើងជំនួសបាន I may go to Siam district mean like perhaps I will go to Siam district ប្រហែលជាខ្ញុំនឹងទៅលេងស្រុកស្អាតអញ្ចឹងយើងပြောថា មេអាម៉ានេះត្រូវបានគេប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹងប្រយោគបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលធម្មតាប៉ុន្តែអត្ថន័យរបស់ពួកវាគឺ future perhaps I will go to Siam district ចំណុចនេះហើយគឺជាប្រយោគ future បាទគឺជាប្រយោគ future យើងបានដឹងថាមេអាម៉ានេះត្រូវបានគេប្រើប្រាស់នៅក្នុងប្រយោគ simple present ប៉ុន្តែអត្ថន័យរបស់ពួកវាគឺ future អូខេThank you very much for my explanation in English about my grammar. Thank you.